Santo Tomas Mayor Timoteo III denied having a birthday party despite Pangasinan under quarantine. He claimed the photos circulating in social media were edited. The politico made a false claim even if it was his own son, Councilor Dickerson Villar, who posted the video. The younger Villar already took the video down, but in the video, he said this.
Oh, tulog tayo lahat sa kulungan! Dami nating nilabag! Curfew! Social distancing!
The mayor clarified the people who were in his house only greeted him and immediately left. The PNP immediately relieved Santo Tomas Pangasinan Chief Captain Peter Paul Sison from his post to give way to an investigation.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.